Younger looking, revitalized face and neck in 2 weeks. This focused face and neck day cream targets the key signs of aging in mature skin with the age-defying power of No7's clinically proven multi-action serum. It works to protect the exposed skin on the face, neck décolleté, all of which becomes more fragile, uneven and less firm over time. With No7's unique anti-wrinkle, firming and brightening complexes and double defense technology, skin is protected from the sun and the environment. Top reviews from the United States. Really good moisturizer. I would have given 5 stars except that it takes hours for this to sink into the skin and dry. Other than that, I really love it. The scent is subtle yet pretty. I love that it's in a plastic jar, not glass. This works better for me than their night cream. The night cream was too oily and made me break out a little. This one doesn't make me break out and I use it during the day and at night. Decent price too, especially since it's such a good product. I would highly recommend.